Hello, everyone. Mike with BluOryx here once again. Today, we will be discussing the topic of using Klaviyo along with Attentive at the same time. So, I'm going to show you an example of a client that we're working with that is actually using Klaviyo for their email marketing, um, but they're using Attentive for their SMS marketing. And if you're interested in putting together a structure like this, we can definitely help. And here's the results that a client of ours is getting. So as you can see on my screen, this is the Klaviyo KPIs for the last 30 days. Um, they've generated 3,769 from the email efforts. Um, and we actually do the managing of the flows and also the campaigns as well. We do the designing, and we also provide assistance on the copy. So let's take a look here at this particular email, just as an example. Let's see here. Okay, here we go. So here at BluOryx, we manage everything from the segmenting your audiences to the actual design as well. So here's an example of the type of designs that we put together here at BluOryx. Once again, this client is using Klaviyo along with Attentive. So here's an example of a campaign. This is a pretty big brand. They're in Costco, Target. I'm pretty sure you guys seen them. Um, but yeah, we basically do this for them. And let's take a look at their at their segments. And really, the magic behind a very effective flows is making sure that you have your segments. In other words, your audience. Understand your audience is key. Um, we have a, a process where we actually use Octane AI for quiz and surveys because Octane integrates with Klaviyo and Attentive, so we gather all this data. Um, so if you look here, right, the flows are generating about uh, 1,600 compared to the campaigns. This particular client pushes campaigns with specials frequently, so that's why the campaigns actually have a little bit more of a revenue. But let's take a look at their Attentive results. So here is Attentive, and with Attentive, they've generated 3,500 for the month. But if you look here, most of the revenue is coming from the automated messages. In other words, what Attentive calls journeys, the similar thing to a flow in Klaviyo. And the campaigns generated about $600, but the majority here is through the journeys, which are automated messages sent to specific individuals based on their behavior and intent. And once again, we do all the heavy lifting for you as far as managing everything from your email campaigns to your email flows to your SMS campaigns and the journeys as well. So if you're interested in putting together a process like this, we could definitely help. Yes, you can be successful by using both Klaviyo and Attentive at the same time. Both are very great platforms. Um, and if you would like to schedule a one-on-one session, screen share session, compare apples to apples, or if you want some advice, or if you want to hire a whole new agency to get you these type of results, uh, click on the link below at BluOryx, and we will be more than happy to consult with you, show you the value that we can offer, and also the value that particularly Attentive um, can complement to your brand. It really complements Klaviyo. Um, Once again, Klaviyo does offer SMS uh, functions or SMS marketing, but quite honestly, when it comes to SMS marketing, Attentive has the upper hand in this. Attentive is much more affordable. I do want to point that out. Uh, Klaviyo tends to be a little bit more expensive when it comes to SMS marketing. So this individual, if they were pushing these amount of text messages, they would have been paying much more than this if they were using Klaviyo. And also, Klaviyo recently just increased their pricing as well. So some people are actually considering just switching over completely to Attentive. Attentive also does offer email marketing service as well, not just SMS. So once again, if you want to schedule a consultation with a professional, click on the link at BluOryx.com, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care. Ciao.